Julie, what are we making?
Don't know.
You have your stool?
Yeah?
Okay. Show the camera the Jell-O. Turn it around so they can see the front. Jell-O. J-E-L-L-O. And what are we going to put inside the Jell-O?
Cocktail.
Fruit cocktail. And what's Mommy drinking?
Coffee.
Happy Mama. Okay. Hey, you want a banana in there too? Let's get a good banana. How about this one? They're all getting pretty yucky. It's about time for a smoothie. Oh, I guess that one volunteered.
Mama, it's 2 cups.
Oh. I'm going to have to heat this up again. I need this chopped, okay? Peel that banana. Peel the banana. You don't need a knife to peel the banana. It's all down on the other side. Throw the peel away and then chop it up. Alright, dude, somebody in a Hummer drove by my house. Come on in.
Wow.
Oh, they're driving away. Oh well. We're trying to sell the house and everybody who stops and takes a gander gets me all excited. Okay, put that in the bowl. Careful, it's powder, it'll go all over. Put it in the bowl.
Oh. It's all. It's all white.
Now, see number 1? Right up here? Read number 1. Where is it? Right there. Is number 1? What's it say?
Stir to.
Speak out loud so everybody can hear you.
Stir 2 cups boiling water into gluten in a medium bowl at least 2 minutes. At least 2 minutes. It's completely dissolved.
Dissolve. Do you know what that means?
Mm-hmm.
What does that mean?
Yeah.
That means that all of this stuff can't feel any more powder anymore, okay? Here's some nice hot boiling water. Hot boiling water means what? Ouch! Be careful. First you pour it in, then you stir. Pour that in there. Don't spill it on yourself. Tell me if you need help. What?
Ow.
Pour it in. Do you need help? Do you need help?
Yeah.
All right. I'll help you do it. Okay? you need to look at what you're doing. Don't splash. Just stir slow like you were. Can you feel the sugar in there? It's kind of gritty and sandy feeling in there. That's the part that needs to dissolve. That's the part that needs to go away. What does it smell like?
Oranges.
It smells like orange pop, I think.
It tasted funny.
Probably tastes very sweet because you're supposed to add another 2 cups in there. Don't even think about it. Okay, now put the, read number 2.
Stir 2 cups cold water. Stir 2 cups cold water.
Mm-hmm. There's the 2 cups you made over there. Slowly. Don't look at me. Over the bowl. Get over the bowl. Is it all in there? Okay, stir it in.
Nice and cold.
Give me a cup. All right, now put your bananas in. You're supposed to let it firm up just a bit. Yeah, be careful, it splotches. Don't plop them in. Drop them in nice.
We're floating around.
There, what?
We're floating around.
I'm checking out your handiwork here. The bigger the plop, the louder the drop. Get your sleeves out of there. Now, what other fruit are we going to put in there? Okay, move the cup out of the way so you don't push it away. There you go. Got it. Now put it real close to the water and drop it in there. Just turn it upside down. Just turn it upside down. Close to the water, close to the water. Turn it upside down. There you go, that's good. There we go. Okay, that's fine, that's good. That's good. All right. Now comes the mommy time. You gotta put it in the refrigerator. Put it in the refrigerator. And with the